Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your NVIDIA FPS drops on your Windows PC. And this could be very easy just simply by resetting your shaders. So let's go on over to the NVIDIA control panel. So we can just type this in the bottom left here, NVIDIA, and then just simply open up the control panel. And when we open this up, this is what it will look like. And we can go ahead and just disable these shaders. So let's open it up in the background right now. Go to where it says Manage 3D Settings. And then under Manage 3D Settings, we'll have this little box here. Scroll on down. And go to where it says Shader Cache Size. And double click into here. And we want to set it to Disabled right now. And then go to Apply in the bottom right. So you can kind of see it. There should be an option to apply when you change the setting somewhere in the bottom right. And once you apply that, we can keep this open in the background because we'll need it again in a second. Go down to the bottom now, go to search and type in disk cleanup. So you can see disk cleanup right here. Open this up. And it's just going to be a small little window right here. And we can zoom in on it. And we want to make sure we have this one option selected, DirectX Shader Cache. Make sure this is checkmarked right here. And I think I'm going to checkmark everything in here because I have 47 gigabytes worth of stuff in my recycling bin and my temporary files are included. Okay. So everything is checkmarked. I'm just going to go to OK now. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Let's go to yes or delete files. And it's going through this process right now. So we're going to wait for this to complete, and then we can go on back over to the control panel. We can just open that up. Okay, so let's go back over to the NVIDIA control panel. And now we want to go back to 3D settings, shader cache size, instead of disabled. We want to set this to driver default. Or we could try something else like unlimited too, but let's just go to driver default. And then scroll on down a little bit and go to apply. And apply it right there. And try that out and see if that fixes your FPS and your performance issues. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.